Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use full screen mode on Windows. Whether you're watching a video, browsing, or using an app, full screen gives you more space and less distraction. Let's get started. Let's begin with something simple, like your browser. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, just press F11 on your keyboard. Boom! You're now in full screen. It hides the address bar, tabs, and taskbar for a cleaner view. To exit full screen, just press F11 again. Now let's try it in Apps or File Explorer. Open any folder and click the little square icon in the top right corner of the window, right next to the X button. That's the Maximize button. It won't hide the taskbar, but it fills the screen. For videos, like on YouTube, just click the square icon at the bottom right of the video player, or press F on your keyboard. In programs like Photos or PDF viewers, you can usually press Ctrl+L or look for a full screen icon in the toolbar. And if you want apps like games or media players to launch in full screen by default, go into their settings and look for Display or View Mode. Quick tip: you can also hide the Windows taskbar temporarily. Right-click the taskbar, go to Taskbar Settings, and turn on Automatically Hide the Taskbar. And that's how you use full screen on Windows like a pro. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.